So for me, I've absolutely adored both of my experiences as a mentor and as a teacher for PEP. When I got to be a mentor, it was more than anything I thought it would be. I thought it would be somebody that I would go and see every once in a while, but it turns out to be so much more. And it's the same thing for PEP. You meet an amazing group of people that you get to work with, and they become like another family for you, and you feel so much more plugged in and engaged with the community. So for Befriend especially, we get to provide, or you get to provide, these opportunities for the kids that it isn't just about where we're going or what activity we're doing, but also about the community that you've built by giving back to these programs. We're able to provide the kids with a safe space of friends that they may have never had before, that uniquely understand their situation, and it's a warm and welcoming environment for them. So we get to provide them with these childhood memories that they may have never gotten before. So the gift is beyond just going to King's Dominion or going bowling, but this building of something that they'll have for the rest of their lives. It's been a huge impact on my life, and I hope that the work has impacted their lives in an equal manner, both by helping them to learn and grow into a stronger family unit, if that's what the PEP program. And I also know that it's impacted the little boy that I worked with for now over 3 years. Getting to see him grow has been an honor for me, and also getting to see the incredible person that he is becoming, and becoming more confident in, is reward in and of itself. But I know that that's an impact that I've had a part in. I can't say that I've solely been the reason for it, but I am proud to have a part in his life. You're giving back something that money can't give, and that's your time, right? And so, as an example, the little boy I was mentoring, he had lost his pet bird, and you could have bought him a new bird. You could go and give him some money, but what he really needed was somebody to sit next to him in that moment, and to be there for him. So that gift of your time is something that can only be done through that volunteer process. It's all about the people, both the amazing people that work at these programs that you get to stay connected with and have these friendships with, but then also the people that you get to work with, the incredible people that show up, both to PEP and to Befriend, where you have these friendships with the kids, and the bond that you create with the other mentors and the other teachers, that it becomes about something more than yourself. And you want to continue to do it both because of the value you get to yourself and the value that you're able to give to other people.